Well, man cavers, did any of you guys notice the mistake I made when I did this the other day? I made a big mistake. Well, not massive, but a mistake. Did any of you notice it? I know one of you did because you dropped it in the comments. I noticed it. As soon as I posted the video and watched it, I thought, I got that wrong. Anyhow, let's get on with it and rectify this problem. Roll the credits. Welcome to the man cave. Let the games begin. So, what was this error I made? Let's open the bonnet on this thing. Here we go. We're up. Do you remember when we put these leads on? I pointed out I actually turned the engine over on the starter, I turned it over on a spanner, and I said the distributor goes anti-clockwise. And here's number one. So we want number one. The foreign order is 1, 3, 4, 2. So we got 1 here. 4 is always dead opposite. And the distributor cap, the rotor arm's going anti-clockwise, so this direction. So it should be 1, 3, 4, 2. What did I do on the last video? I set it 1, 3, 4, 2. I set the rotor, I set the leads as if the distributor was going clockwise, not anti-clockwise. So this lead and this lead are the wrong way around. So we should have one going to number 1. This one should be going to number 3. Let's have a look. Let's get inside. Oh, here we go. Oh, where's my little kneeling mat? Here it is. I hope we can see this all right. Might help if I put some flash on. Here we go. So number 1 we've got up here. This one. Let me pull that main king lead off. There we go. So this one should be number 1. I set it 1, 3, I think. I did. Look, this one's going down to number 3. 4, which is right. So we got this wrong because it's actually 1. This one should be going to number 3. And it's going to number 2. So 1, 3, 4, 2. And this one should be going to number 2. And it's going to number 3. That could be why we had bad running. So we need to just swap these 2 leads around. There we go. So now we've got 1, 3, 3, 4, 4. And this one should be number 2. Number 2. There we go. So we've got all them on now. Let's put our king lead back on. Right. There we go. So next order of business is we're just going to connect this fuel pump back up. My little clickety-clackety fuel pump. Yeah, here's my fuel line. So we just got to connect this little fuel line back up. And with our clicky-clack pump and some petrol. And see if this thing runs any better now. So let me get my pump set up and then we'll be back. Speak to you in a minute. Right. Here is our tin of petrol. Come on, start pumping petrol. Whoop, there we go, right. So now we know we're getting petrol up. We can put this onto our petrol line. There we go. Yeah. Right, there's our earth. There we go. Right, we're pumping petrol, which should be filling that carb up. So let's get in and see if this thing... Oh, I hate getting in this thing. Look at that cobweb right above my head. Alright, let's get in and see if... Oh, beg your pardon. See if this will start. If you remember, I've got to hold the choke out. So the choke's held out. I'm going to have to put this camera down here again. And let's see if we've got any sort of fire. Oh, look at that. Sweet as a nut now, listen. Listen to that. Listen to that. Now the firing order's right. Listen to that. See how well she started then. That's unbelievable, isn't it? There. So, be honest, did you notice the mistake I'd made in that first video? Did you notice I'd got that wrong? When I actually made such a valid point, pointing out which way the distributor was rotating, and then I put the leads on for the opposite direction. But, oh, listen how she runs now. That is so much sweeter. That is quiet as a church mouse. Let's take the choke off a little. There we go. There you go, listen at it. I think we've got a noisy alternator, but don't she sound sweet? She's running sweet as a peach now. That is really, really impressive. I'm happy with that. I don't know what that noise is, but she is running really well. There. Listen to that. I love it. We'll ease that choke off. Oh, that was a little bit too much for it. There you go. So she's, considering she hadn't ran for 10 years. There we go. We're away. I think that noise is, I think that's the alternator. That belt ain't running through on that alternator. Look down there. That belt is not running through on that alternator fully. See that? That must have been like that when I was using the motor, because I've never done anything with it. There you go. Right. That's going to be the end for this video. This was just a really quick video to put my problem right and see if that run better, and there you go. She is running sweet as a nut. I mean, you can hear it out the tailpipe. She's running spot on. Yeah. So the Reliant is another step closer. Oh yeah, she's running like a Swiss watch. Well, I'm not going to run it for long because she ain't got no water in it, but just wanted to show you guys that, yeah, it looks like the problem is sorted. Reliant is running well. We didn't have a stuck valve or nothing, or a, which I said would come back around. Now I just got the firing order wrong. Right, I'm off. I'll try and get another video done. Towards the end of the week, I'm going to try and film a Christmas special. I don't know what I'm thinking, but there you go. I'm going to try and get something out, a little treat for you guys for Christmas. But we will see. If not, I will see you after Christmas. Have a good Christmas, a very good one. Stay safe, because we're in these uncertain times again. And I don't think any of us know exactly what's going to happen. But stay safe, and I'll see you folks, hopefully, before Christmas. If not, it'll be after. Right. Happy New Year to you all. And Happy Christmas. Bye-bye for now. Ha ha.